Pero ang Singaporeans, 'di ba? I mean, yung mga locals, talagang health conscious sila
Oo.
dito. Sobra.
Sobra. And even the Health Promotion Board ng Singapore, they
Yeah.
are doing their best na tanggalin yung sobrang alat, sobrang mga artificial flavor sa pagkain. Which is, sabi kong ganun, this is what Salad Master is promoting ever since.
Mm.
So, may mga local na kami, mga customers, and then they said, this is what the government is pushing us to do. Sabi nila ganun. Oo. So,
Ang ganda kasi, I mean, dito kasi is supported by the government, 'di ba?
yes.
Ang daming projects ng government when it comes to health. May mga health SG, yung mga ganyan, yung mag-exercise ka and then
Di
you'll
ba?
be able to get something after, 'di ba? Yung mga ganyan, which is napakagandang cause din nun kasi para maturuan yung community na kung paano maging, I mean, yung healthy lifestyle ba? Wherein sa Pilipinas sana dumami yung mga ganitong klase ng cause when it comes to health, 'di ba? I mean, masarap, I mean, sarapin tayong kumain eh. I mean, let's be honest to that. At masasarap ang pagkain natin.
Yes.
Pero most din ng pagkain natin is fatty and oily. 'Di ba? So, it's not naman na wag nating kainin, 'di ba? Hindi naman ganoon. But again, we have to think about, I mean, towards the future about
Long
living
term.
healthy. Oo.